Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust the sound delay on your LG TV. So if it's not synchronized or anything like that, let's go up to settings right here and select this. And then we can go to our sound out. Just make sure you have the right setting here selected. Maybe if you're using like an optical out or something like that, you got a soundbar connected. Maybe your soundbar is connected through a Bluetooth device or something like that. And I'm just going to go on over to the TV speakers, but let's go to advanced settings right here and then select this. Now under this menu, I want to go to where it says match screen and sound. Then I can go to the TV speaker delay and select this, and then you can just add a specific delay in here by going up and down. So figure out whatever that is and match it up, maybe play a little bit of music or TV in the background, and you can add a specific delay on there, and then you should be able to align that. So just go to that option and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.